Hey guys, it's Liam from Killer Inc. and today I'm going to be showing you the range of advanced needle cartridges from Stigma-Rotary. These high quality cartridges are the perfect accompaniment to Stigma's range of rotary tattoo machines, including the latest Thor machine. So let's take a look at what they offer. The Stigma-Rotary Advanced Needle Cartridge system has been designed with safety in mind. These cartridges feature an external sealing cap to prevent any fluids leaking through to the grip and the machine. When connected to a Stigma grip, this forms a dual seal, so the cartridge seals completely with the grip at the connecting spot. In addition, the umbrella trap design prevents ink, blood and other fluids from splattering over the cartridge sides. The ergonomically designed shape of the Stigma cartridges will allow you to comfortably grip onto the cartridge if you prefer, for the ultimate control. The external sealing cap also provides another key benefit. Due to the thickness and elasticity of the rubber material it is made from, the external sealing cap acts as a dampening system, providing a natural 5 to 10% give. This is optimal not only for shading, but also for lining with just a little give. Shading becomes smoother and lines become crisper, resulting in an enhanced tattooing experience. All of these benefits make these cartridges safer than ever to use, so you can concentrate clearly on tattooing. Stigma cartridges are unique and will only fit into a Stigma rotary grip, meaning that they are not compatible with Cheyenne style and RPG click cartridge grips. However, there are a few different options to use the Stigma cartridges with non-Stigma machines, depending on the machine you use. Stigma-Rotary has created a universal screw-on connection clickable grip that can be screwed directly onto the likes of Cheyenne and Spectrum machines, where the needle depth can be adjusted by clicking clockwise or anti-clockwise. There are also universal Stigma grips with backstems for traditional vice systems, where the needle depth can also be adjusted by clicking clockwise or anti-clockwise. These can also be used in conjunction with a universal screw-on vice adapter to enable you to connect these grips up to screw-on connections that feature on machines from the likes of Cheyenne and Spectra. We offer 5 configurations of Stigma-Rotary cartridges: round liner, round shader, soft edge magnum, straight magnum and flat. The round liners and round shaders can be identified by the green housing, while cartridges with a larger needle grouping, like magnums and flats, are in red. You can order any of these Stigma-Rotary cartridges from Killer Inc. via the link in the description below. So what do you think of Stigma-Rotary's advanced needle cartridge system? Will you be trying them out for yourself? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.